Hi everyone. Today we want to talk about Bactoflex herbal cream. Bactoflex herbal cream is a cream manufactured by Pharmaflex. It's a company registered in Uganda, and apparently the product is registered by the National Drug Authority (NDA) of Uganda, and the and the notified indication is assists in wound management. Bactoflex herbal cream comes in two sizes. It comes in the size of 10 grams, a 10 grams tube, and a 60 grams tube. So depending on the size of your wound or the area you want to apply the cream to, you buy the appropriate size, or as can be prescribed by the medical practitioner. Now, we want to look at the different mechanisms through which a Bactoflex cream will assist the wound. One, it will assist the wound management through the anti-inflammatory pathway. So before we go there, let's first see the main ingredients in this product. The main ingredients in this product is we have lemongrass oil there. We also have clove oil in there. We also have lemongrass, clove, and rosemary. Those are the three main essential oils which are there. Now, each of those essential oils have different properties, though some of the properties are shared by both of them to create a synergy, and therefore that's how it works. So when it comes to managing or assisting in managing a wound, of course, there are a number of parameters which we want to target. So one of the parameters we would want to target is inflammation. So the inflammatory pathway will be targeted by the rosemary, by lemongrass and rosemary. Those two have capacity to undo the inflammatory pathway. So it has the anti-inflammatory bit of it. Okay, the mechanisms and details of the anti-inflammatory pathway, visit our website, you will be able to see those details in there. Okay, so now when we come to the specific user cases, for example, if we talk about anti-inflammatory, what do we mean? It means it is able to help you on the simple wounds. It is also able to help you in the big wounds, burns, all those kind of wounds. Now, but because we are using essential oils in this our product, essential oils are known to increase skin permeability. What does that mean? If someone has a big wound like a diabetic wound, then they should be able to benefit better. Why? Because the cream has these essential oils improve the permeability. So the cream will now go and penetrate through those pores, and it will try to move into deeper tissues. And the major challenges usually in diabetic wounds is we have a challenge with local application of the ordinary creams or powders or what. Why? Because there is insufficient supply of blood in that area, but as well there is hardening of the tissues. So by using such a cream, which is able to improve the permeability, then it is able to reach and then go and destroy the bacteria or virus or fungus, whatever is there. And then the other unique bit about this is, whereas it is able to clear majority of the bacteria, but even some few viruses and some few fungus will be tackled and will be destroyed. And then the other also unique bit about Bactoflex cream is it is able to undo the resistance. Even if you're sure that and you had tested and you have confirmed that this patient has now developed resistance, I can recommend that you can go ahead and use this cream and use the same oral antibiotic, whatever they were using. It should be able to work. And I'm not saying that by using this cream, you should stop taking your systemic or antibiotics. No, you should continue taking your oral antibiotics or your systemic antibiotics, whatever you're taking, alongside this cream, because this cream will now do the other bits of now delivering the medication onto the wound, chasing away the flies in case they are, of course, repairing away the flies, and so many others around the hydration of the wounds as may be. So that is a brief description of what Bactoflex is. We can end it there. In the next video, if requested, we shall then look at the other parts. Thank you for listening.